So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in GISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both those scans, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find Form Factory. You can scroll down. Once you find Form Factory, you want to click on the 3 dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. After you uninstall Form Factory, you want to reinstall it again, and that should fix your problem.